Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a quick video to compare the custom-made augers for the mini skid steers and the standard one low torque model. The standard low torque auger was ordered by a customer who got our JoyT5 SSTM3 gasoline version skid steer. He lives in Saskatchewan and he has some soft soil. So for the auger to put in some posts, he didn't need any heavy duty requirements. The customer that ordered the JoyT5 SSTM4 diesel model, just like this one over here, he has a construction company and he was looking for a heavy duty auger that can use in extensions and have higher diameters to drill the holes. The standard skid steer auger has 400 Newton meters of torque and comes with an 8-inch drill bit for soft soil. And I want to emphasize the soft soil. It does not have any hardened tips to work in a rocky soil. Here's a close-up of it. Now let's take some measurements. First, let's measure the drill bit mount. The low torque model has a 35 millimeter square mount. The standard drill bit has a replaceable hardened tip in the center, but the edges is just a steel plate, and the thickness of that steel plate is 1/2 inch. Thickness of the ribs is 3 millimeters. Now let's take a look at the custom auger. Everything you see here was made by custom drawings which were approved by the customer, and customer had a chance to specify steel thickness and dimensions. When you order custom attachments from JoyT5, you will have that ability as well, and we can make an auger that you need and want. As you saw, the auger drive is way bigger. The reason for it is that it has 3,000 Newton meters of torque. That's 7.5 times more than the low torque model. Now let's take some measurements to see how the drill bits are different and the auger mount is. First, let's start with the mount plate. It consists from the two 1/2 inch plates held together by the bolts. The reason for it is that down the road, if the customer will ever need to use this auger with a different mini skid steer that has a different attachment mount, all he will have to do is just to make just a mounting plate with the skid steer ears that can be bolted on to the auger mount. The drill bit mount is 65 millimeter round that you can see over here. This part is an extension that would go between the drill bit itself and the auger to give the extra drilling depth. The drill bit here is made for the soil with rocks. That's why you see this hardened teeth that will chew through rocks. And the base plate for to mount the teeth is 20 millimeters thick. The drill bit ribs thickness is 6 millimeters. So it's double the thickness as of the low torque drill bit. We hope that you like this comparison video of a regular auger to the custom made one. On a custom made side, the opportunities are endless. We can make an attachment for your needs based on the drawings with your specifications. And this is just an example of what the customer ordered. If you're going to have any questions about custom attachments, skid steers, excavators, wheel loaders, or any other type of machinery that JoyT5 offers, please visit JoyT5.com or contact one of our dealers. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.